Hello students, myself Karishma Datta from Saraswat International Academy. I am going to teach to standard 6th English medium, subject social science, chapter number 2, maths, part 2. Okay student, before moving to today's topic, we shall do the revision of the first part. In that we saw the introduction part. Okay, in the introduction part we have seen what is map actually. Okay, and we have seen even I have given you an activity like you need to write the place name of the places and how much distance kilometer the places is away from you, that you need to write, and that was an activity. A second was a route map, easy route map from your place to a shop, right? How you are going to move yourself, that was to be done, that activity was to be done by you. Then another activity I gave you, right? Two maps, or any two map, and write what can you see on that map, right? What can you see on that map, you need to write it down, right? That activity was being given to you. And today in part 2 we'll see the topic, that is National Atlas Thematic Mapping Organization, that is NATMO, is situated where? That is in Kolkata. This institution creates the map including thematic map like rainfall distribution of Gujarat. Okay, now what they are saying over here, that is National Atlas and Thematic Mapping Organization. Where it is been situated? It is situated in Kolkata. Okay, the institution creates map. What do it makes? It makes map including thematic map like rainfall distribution of Gujarat. Example, rainfall, that means where do rainfall is been seen in Gujarat. Okay, where more places in Gujarat where rainfall is been seen, that type of weather, right? I explained you in the first part, like there is not only a map like state, city, capital, this and that, right? In map shows us everything, even the weather condition, the climatic condition, even what type of temperature has been there, everything can be known by a map, and that has been done by the National Atlas and Thematic Mapping. Okay, now over here, think and write. Write down the information which is common in all the maps. For example, scale, north, south, direction, etc. Now, what you need to do? Take a map, a simple map, seat on Google, write like Gujarat map, right? Write like Gujarat political map, right? Only that much. And then what can you see on the map? Okay, example, scale, I will be showing you the scale where it has been seen. North south direction, that means which is the northern direction, which is the southern direction, that you need to do it. Okay students, then the main components of the map are direction, scale, and the conventional sign. Okay, I explained you that in the first part also, but I'm explaining you in the second part also. The three component, right? There are three components of map: direction, scale, and conventional sign. So we shall see what is direction, scale, and conventional sign. That is, I said you, the first component, that is direction. So you can see the north, the south, the west, the east. So we are saying the north, the south, the west, and the east. Okay, this arrow showing the west direction, this, right, showing this direction, then this direction showing the west direction, this direction showing the east direction. What does this arrow, even these arrows shows us what? That is direction in the map, right? Wherever the arrows can be seen, that shows what? That is direction. Okay students, so we will see now the second component, that is the scale. Okay, you can see this is the scale. Now 1 centimeter is equals to 1 kilometer, right? A different thing can be seen over here, right? So this is what? This is the scale which you can see in the map, and scale help us to know the exit distance. What this What do the scale help us to know? The exit what? That is the distance. Exit distance from one place to the another. So second component scale help us to know the distance from one place to the another. Okay students, so you must have seen like a house map, right? If you also live in a house, you may be living in a building or you may be living in your own home, right? So when your home was being built up, right, the first what was being done, the sketch was being made, the sketch, right? Like where would be the dining table, where would be the dining room, where would be the kitchen, where would be the rooms to live and everything. You can see it very clearly students, like the seat, right? The bedroom, where to put where, then how much centimeters. See, this is the scale. This is the scale, that is the kitchen part, right? This is showing what us, that is the scale. This part showing us what, that is the scale. Kitchen over here, right? Then the bedroom over here. Here is the bedroom. The scale is been put out over here. Then you can see it very easily, like the hall you can see, right? You can see what, that is the hall. Simple, in a very simple form, and hall can be seen over here. This is the place of seeing a hall, right? See this. So what does it shows us? It shows us what, the plan, right? Map is just showing us the direction, its scale, and easily, like what can you see, that a simple condition map shows us where to go and what to do. Okay, now students, we saw with the direction, we saw with the scale. Now we'll see the third component, that is the conventional sign, right? That is the conventional sign. You can see over here traffic signals. Okay, you can see different types of what, you can see different types of symbols. You can see different type of symbol like this. All these all are different type of what, that is symbols. Okay, so these symbols shows us what, that is where to go and what to do. Okay, so conventional sign is very much important. Student, conventional sign is a sign which shows us direction. If I can say you that if there was only one sign, एक ही symbol होता, तो we were not able to know, हम confuse हो जाते. Why different types of conventional signs are being made, symbols are being made, that people can go to a right direction. Okay, people can reach easily from one place to the another. For that reason, sign. See, you can see the first part over here, that is the turn left ahead. So this symbol shows us what, this is a conventional sign. This symbol shows us what, that is to turn the left side. Then this symbol, no left turn, that means if you go on the road, don't take a left turn. This cross shows us that don't take a left turn. Then no motor vehicle, right? That means at that area no motor vehicle should be seen. Then next, bend to left, right? An area must be coming, like you need to bend to left. If these symbols are been put out anywhere on the traffic side, on the road, right, then you need to follow it. And this is the example of conventional signs. Students, in this map you can see this, that is the plus sign, and the north, that is N, that N is the north side. Okay, there is a sign of N for north direction shown in the upper side of every map. Okay, in every map, सब map में आपको ये sign तो देखने को ही मिले, कौन सी, that is the N, that is the north. Okay, thus if you will get one correct direction, you will come to know about directions, about other directions also. Now what they are saying over here, अभी हमको पता चल गया कि ये जो side है, this side is the northern side. तो now आपके लिए बहुत easy होने वाला है find करने के लिए. क्या, that if this is the northern side, तो obviously this is which side, the southern side. Okay, if this is the north side, this is the south side, so this is going to be the west side, and this is going to be the east side. So north, north we came to know first only. Okay, then with the help of north I am able to know the south direction. सामने वाला. Then with the help of this I am able to know the west direction, and with this I am able to know the east direction. Okay, so if I am able to know one direction, so it is very easy for me to know about the other directions also. Okay students. Okay students, so we will go on with the next part, that is filling in the blanks. You need to write some fill in the blanks. Okay, you need to do this. Okay, you are aware of directions. Now easily with the help of, I showed you the conventional sign, direction, scale, and even I show you the map of Gujarat, I showed you the N. Okay, so now it's very easy for you to see it. Okay, so you are aware of direction. So east, west, north and south. You're easily now able to know that is east, west, north, south. Okay, now the sun rises in the sun rises in what, where? The sun, you have read in, आपको पहले it has been explained to you, like sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Now what you a new thing you need to do, student, that is you need to stand. Now stand facing the dash, then exactly behind you is west. Okay, if you're facing towards one direction and they're saying कि आपके पीछे, right, आप अगर खड़े हो, आप you're standing like this, है ना, आप your example, you're standing like this, and what they're saying over here, your face is this side, your face is this side. Okay, example, it's an very simple example I'm giving you. Okay, like, or you're standing like this, right, and your face is this side. Which side? Your face is this side. Okay, so and what they're saying, then exactly behind you is west, और आपके पीछे क्या है, exit behind you is which direction then? If you're facing towards this direction, the exactly behind you, आपके पीछे कौन सा डायरेक्शन होगा? That is the east. Which direction? That is the east. If I am facing towards north, तो मेरे पीछे कौन सा डायरेक्शन होगा? South. If I am facing towards east, तो मेरे पीछे कौन सा डायरेक्शन होगा? That is west. Okay student, now it should be easy for you. Now the another task you need to do. Take a compass and find out the north and south direction. Okay, आपको क्या करना है? कंपास लेना है. There is a compass. You know that comes. You know about compass very easily, right? Take a compass and find out the south and the north direction. Then find out the direction of the filling in the table given using your compass. क्या करना है? कंपास लेना है, सबसे पहले नॉर्थ एंड साउथ डायरेक्शन देखना है. देन योर स्कूल गेट, your post, where is the post office, dispensary, library, river, pond and bridge, right? In sabka direction you need to write all directions. Okay, you with the help of compass you need to write all the direction. Okay students, now you cannot come to the school and you can see the school gate. Simple. Now what you need to do, you need to stand in a hall of your home. घर के हॉल में खड़े हो जाना है आपको. क्या करना है? घर के हॉल में खड़े हो जाना है और कंपास हाथ में होना चाहिए आपके, राइट? कंपास को हाथ में रखो, घर के हॉल में खड़ा होना है, कंपास को हाथ में रखना है. दिस इज योर एक्टिविटी स्टूडेंट, ये आपको करना है एंड फाइंड इट आउट. ठीक है? व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, स्टैंड इन फ्रंट in your hall. Okay, you need to have a compass with you. After having a compass, see where is the kitchen, कौन से डायरेक्शन में किचन है. देन सी विच डायरेक्शन इज द बेडरूम. देन सी द अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ योर हाउसेस, राइट, ऑफ योर हाउस कौन से डायरेक्शन में है एंड नोट इट डाउन. ओके, सो इट इज़ गोइंग टू हेल्प यू स्टूडेंट टू नो द डायरेक्शन ऑफ योर हाउस ऑफ डिफरेंट रूम. आपके ही घर में हर एक जगह कौन से डायरेक्शन पे है. That would be very easy for you to understand direction. This is an activity and you need to do it. See this which I have given to you, these are the examples. Okay, पर आपको अपने घर का करना है, घर के बीच में खड़े रहना है and find the direction of the different places in your house. Next, I am Surjan, a student. I was going to my uncle's house alone. I am sure I will reach there because I have a map to help me. Do you know how vast our earth is? Even though the earth is huge, any part of it can be drawn on paper by minimizing it using a scale. Suppose there is 1 kilometer distance between your village and your school. How can we draw and show such a great distance on the map? We scale down the distance. If we take scale of 1 kilometer is equals to 100 meter, we will be able to show the exact distance between any two places. Okay, now here is a surgeon, a boy named Surgeon. And what is Surgeon saying? That I am going to he is going to his uncle's house alone. And now he's saying that now I will be easily reaching to my uncle's house क्योंकि मेरे पास map है. And obviously students, earth is too huge, अर्थ बहुत बड़ा है ना. बट हमको जहाँ पहुँचना है, with the help of map we can easily reach our destination. हम easily हमारी जगह पे पहुँच सकते हैं. Okay, यहाँ पे example दिया है. See, now what another activity you need to do, that is you need to see, they have given an example. From your home to a shop, फ्रॉम योर होम टू अ शॉप आपको क्या करना है, 1 किलोमीटर लेना है. अगर 10 मीटर्स मीन्स कितना किलोमीटर, 100 मीटर्स मीन्स कितना किलोमीटर, 1 किलोमीटर. सो फ्रॉम योर हाउस टू द शॉप फाइंड आउट वॉट दैट इज द डिस्टेंस. फाइंड आउट द वॉट दैट इज, सिंपली आप क्या कर पाओगे, अपने घर से लेके शॉप तक का क्या फाइंड कर पाओगे, दैट इज डिस्टेंस. एंड इफ यू वंस कम टू नो अबाउट द डिस्टेंस ऑफ इट, सो you can easily what, that you can easily reach to your destination. Okay students, so you can see over here, that is the sketch of a city. You can see a sketch of a city, right? In this sketch what can you see students, that is, with the sketch of a city we can easily come to know where the places are, where is the home, where is the house, where is the bus standing, right? That easily can be known by us, where is this house, where is this house, right? It becomes easy for every direction, right? If we know the perfect direction and the scale distance. Okay students, now what can you see over here? You can see the map of the village. You can see what, the map of the village. In this map what can you see? You can see farm over here, right? This is the road, the area from where the bus can go easily, right? This is the river area. Okay, and this is the area where all houses can be seen, this area, right? Here a tree can be seen, here also even houses can be seen. At the outside of the village there is a well can be seen. Okay, so now what they're saying now, okay, so students over here I can take this as north, south, west, and that is the east. North, south, west, east. So eastern direction, if they say me the where is the eastern direction, I need to go to this place. So you can easily recognize. See, the temple is towards the eastern side. Okay, the farm is towards the western side. You can see the other houses are towards the northern side. Some outskirt area, that means village ke bahar bhi there are some houses can be seen to the southern side. And you come out from the village, right? There is a well which is towards the southwest direction. Okay, जो village में जो well है, which is, it is towards which direction? The southwest direction. So with the help of this, that is with the help of the map of a village, we are easily with it, and even knowing what now about direction, now it is very easy for us to know the even the places of the village.